Hi guys, let us discuss this question which was present in NEET 2024. Question is, given below are certain cations using inorganic qualitative analysis, arrange them in increasing group from 0 to 6. The cations are like aluminum 3 plus, B copper 2 plus, C barium 2 plus, D cobalt 2 plus, E magnesium 2 plus. These are the options. So we have to order in such a way like it's from 0 to 6, not 0 means 1 to 6, like that it will follow, and we have to order like that way where this will be the initial group and this will be the last one will be the near to group 6. So this is the question from principle related to the practical chemistry chapter. Now I will discuss this like way. In inorganic qualitative analysis of ions classified into 6 groups based on the solubility product, KSP and common ion effect. Like this group 1 has the silver plus, mercury plus, lead 2 plus reagent used for this dilute HCl, and it's precipitated as insoluble chloride salt. So as this type of cation present in the group 1, and if we use the dilute HCl to this cation, they precipitated as their chloride, which is insoluble in this acidic medium. And group 2 contains this copper 2, mercury 2 plus, lead 2 plus as well, cadmium 2 plus, arsenic 3, antimony, bismuth, tin 2 plus. And here the group reagent for identification of these cations is the hydrogen sulfide gas in presence of acidic dilute HCl, but they precipitated as here insoluble sulfide. So as H2S pass through over this in presence of acidic condition, so copper 2 plus is present in the solution, it will precipitate as copper sulfide CuS, mercury Gs, and is having their distinctive color or precipitation color. Now group 3, which contains means which generally in this group iron 2 plus, aluminum 3 plus, chromium 3 plus, and here to identify these cations, the group reagent like ammonium hydroxide used in presence of ammonium chloride, and these cations are precipitated as like hydroxide, insoluble hydroxide salt, like ferric hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. And group 4 here that zinc 2 plus, Mn 2 plus, nickel or cobalt 2 plus are fall into this group, and the reagent like H2S gas passes when this ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride are also used as a reagent. So in this present of this H2S when pass, they also precipitated as their sulfide salt ZnS, Mn(S), nickel S, like that. These are insoluble sulfides and in presence of basic condition. So that's why these are the reagent used for their distinction. And group 5, that barium 2 plus, strontium 2 plus, calcium 2 plus, these are the cation are fall into this in this group, and these are the reagent the ammonium carbonate used in presence of this buffer ammonium hydroxide, ammonium chloride, and this precipitated as like insoluble carbonate form. Now group 6, which contains this magnesium 2 plus, sodium, potassium, and they don't have the particular specific reagent, but these cations are identified only by flame test. So now if we see that this our in our cases this copper 2 plus are there, B, which fall in this group 2, then aluminum 3 plus A, which for group 3, then group 4 cobalt 2, and group 5 barium 2 plus, and group 6 is the magnesium 2 plus. So magnesium 2 plus group 6 and copper 2 plus is the first, then copper 2 plus is the B. So here B is the first because it is the group 2, then group 3 come. So group 3 aluminum 3 plus, that means A. So after B, A is there, here C. So this is the, then cobalt 2, barium 2, magnesium 2. So B, A, D, C, E. B, A, D, C, E. So option 2 is the right option here. Thank you guys.